Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we will be going to see the concept of the linear regression Python code. So previously we have shown the concept of regression. Link to all the videos will be in the description. You can go through it. So we have shown the concept of the regression. We have seen what is meant by regression. We have also seen the numerical example of regression, how to solve the regression in example, what is meant by correlation, difference between the regression as well as difference between the correlation. So in the today's video we will be seeing the basic Python code for the linear regression with the data set. So let us start with the video. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it for the upcoming updates of the videos. So here the data set that I have used contains a salary data. I will show you the data set. The data set contains two fields, that is the year of experience and the salary. Here there are two columns. First is the year of experience, second is the salary, as you can see on the screen. So by using these two columns we will be calculating the linear regression. So let us start with the code. So in the code is being written in the Jupyter notebook, so I will be showing you the code line by line. So first step is importing the data set. So to import the data set we have to use the basic files or basic packages, that is the NumPy and the pandas, and the matplotlib libraries used for the plotting, which will be need further to plot the graphs. So I have imported the data set, and then I have just printed the first 5 entries of the dataset. So as you can see, the dataset consists of the year of experience and the salary. So this is the dataset which consists of the salary and the year of experience of the person. Next step is the data pre-processing. We need to pre-process the data. The data contains two columns, that is X and Y. So X is the year of experience and salary is the Y. So we need our dependent variable is Y because we are morely focusing on the salary, and X is our independent variable. So the next step is the data pre-processing. Next is we want to split the data set because we want to divide the data into train and test. Now there are different ways to divide the data set, different ratios are there. How to divide the data set into training and testing, what is training and testing, that concept is already covered. That video link will be already I will provide it in the description, you can go through it. So we have to divide the data set. We can either divide it by using the 20/80 ratio or 70/30 ratio. So here we are using the test side 1/3. So we are dividing the data, splitting the data set into train and test. So X train and X test, similarly Y train and Y test. So the Y test will be the testing data set which will be used for the testing purpose. Then we have to train the model by using the training data so that it could be provided for the testing purpose. To train the data set we have to import the linear regression files or the package which will be trained, because we want to implement the linear regression algorithm. So to implement that we have to use this package which will be imported from the scikit-learn library, that is linear regression. So we have to use this header file and import the library, and then the linear regression algorithm will be executed. Now we want to predict the results. So to predict the result, the input will be the test data set that we have splitted by using the training testing library, and the Y predict will be the predicted salaries for the input provided. The input is the X test, and Y predict will be the predicted salaries for the year of experience, whereas the Y test is the actual salaries. So these are the two different things. So the Y test is the real salaries of the test data set, whereas the Y predicted is the actual predicted salaries. So you can see the actual salary is 40,000, whereas the predicted salary is 37 something. Similarly here the values you can see. So these two are the somewhat different in the salaries that are being predicted and the actual salaries. So these two difference we are going to plot now using the different libraries. Now we are going to plot this result. So to plot we have to use the different plotting libraries. For that why we use this library matplotlib. So by using that now we will plot the graph. So to visualize the result, first we will visualize the result for the training data set. So for that we are using the regressor dot predict the train x dot train data set, and for that we are on the x axis we are plotting the year of experience, whereas on y axis we are plotting the salary. So the salary range we are providing for as 40,000 to 1,20,000, and based on the salary and the year of experience we have plotted this graph. Similarly for the testing data set, so you can see what is the difference between the training and testing data set. So there is a little bit of difference between the actual salary and the predicted salary. So this is a basic example for a linear regression Python code. So you can see the difference manually also. You can check it out between the array, the predicted salary and the actual salary. Also you can see in the form of graph also. So this is the way of prediction by using the linear regression Python code. I hope everyone is clear with the concept of how to plot the graph or how to write the code for linear regression. If anyone is having any doubt, you can DM me on Instagram. My ID is provided in the description box. You can go through it, or you can let me know in the comment section. In the upcoming videos, I will be giving more Python codes for linear regression as well as logistic and polynomial regression. Also, I am coming with the Python codes as well as the numericals for the more machine learning algorithms. So make sure you subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video.